Today I'm going to show you how I painted this ocean scene using acrylic paint. So for my base color, I'm using phthalo blue with a little bit of white and a touch of black to gray it out just a bit. Then I apply it to my canvas using horizontal strokes with a flat brush, and working my way down towards the bottom, I add just a little bit more black to get it darker as it gets closer to you. So once I have my base down, I like to go in with a darker blue and I lay out my waves. And as I go further towards that horizon line, I like to switch to a thinner flat brush because I want those lines to be smaller and give the effect that that water is further from you. Now going into a middle tone, using a lighter of a blue, I'm going to start kind of underlining those darker areas and even filling in some of the in-between areas, but I'm making sure I'm not killing all of that base layer because you kind of want it to peek through. It's going to show some of those areas where the light is going to be hitting. Next, I'm going to do more of a highlight tone, so I'm just going to get a lighter blue, adding a little more white to that last one, and I'm going to start thinking about where the light might be hitting more. I'm going to start putting that blue on the tops of my waves, which is where that dark area is. And I'm going to start laying it in between some of these waves as well, where the light can get through there. And as I go further up towards the horizon with this one, I'm not going to do as many wavy lines. I'm going to start making them more horizontal because as it gets further from you, you're not going to see as many details. So now I'm using an even lighter blue, and I'm really just going and following that same shape that we've already made. I'm putting it on the top of our last blue that we put, and I'm also kind of accenting some of the other lines that we did, and I'm just really scattering this in between and all around, not trying to cover up everything, but I'm trying to make sure that you're seeing there's some more highlights, some more layers there, and it really adds depth to the water in this stage. Now for the final touch, I'm going to use some yellow and white, and I'm going to make a small sun on the horizon and add the final highlights to the top of the waves. Thank you so much for watching this. I really hope you learned something from it, and I have plenty more tutorials to come.